welcome or welcome back to today's video. Today again I'm going to review one shampoo which I am using for a long time. So if you wish to know more, just keep on watching. Guys, today I'm going to talk about this shampoo. This comes from L'Oreal. I hope you know the shampoo. This is not a newly launched product or something like that. This is L'Oreal Paris 6 Oil Nourish shampoo. This is how the product looks like. The bottle is normal, very simple bottle and very simple packaging. This has a very simple packaging, and this has this shampoo has actually 6 oils in it, and it says that 6 oil formula for 6 benefits is written over here. Now the benefits are: you will get strong hair, smooth hair, shiny hair, soft hair, thick hair and manageable hair, and it is meant for dry and dull hair. As you can see, my hair is very dull, very dry and damaged, so I go for shampoos which nourishes my hair, and this shampoo has argan oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, coconut oil and camelina, which I really don't know what is that, but all these oils are very good for our hair. It helps our hair to become moisturized, and it imparts shine also. I'm going to show you the demonstration of this shampoo as well. And okay, now the price of this shampoo is not too much. It's only rupees 135, and the bottle which I am showing it to you is of 192.5 ml, and the shelf life of this product is of 2 years. Guys, this is how it looks. It has a yellowish, or you can call it a brownish color. It's not very thick and it's not very runny also, and the smell is also quite good. Guys, after washing my hair, this is how my hair is looking. This shampoo is really good if you are having dry, frizzy, unmanageable hair. You can see I didn't put any conditioner, just to show you how this shampoo actually works. So this is it, and if you put conditioner, then all the frizziness right now, whatever you can see, it will go away. So I like this shampoo a lot, and I will recommend you all people, if you are suffering from dry, damage, dull hair problem, you should go for this shampoo, and I am sure that you are going to like it. So guys, if you have liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you wish, then do subscribe to my channel, and if you are subscribing to my channel, then don't forget to hit the bell icon. That is very important. And until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed, tata, God bless.